Here's another genetic traits activity, the PTC paper test. An interesting thing about genetics is that it can influence the way that you taste things. For example, for some people, cilantro can taste like soap, and some vegetables in the cabbage family can taste very bitter. This is because of differences in your alleles or your genes that lead you to taste differently. Another example is that chemicals in food might taste bitter, sour, or strong to some, and some might not taste it at all. You've been given a taste test paper for PTC, or phenolthiocarbamide. The ability to taste PTC is a dominant trait that is controlled by a specific gene. This gene encodes for part of the bitter taste receptor in your tongue cells. People who taste PTC often do not enjoy eating the brassica family of vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. This is because PTC-like chemicals are found in these vegetables. Around 75% of people can taste PTC, while the remaining 25% cannot. When you're ready, taste the PTC paper and observe your sensations. Is it bitter or is it sour? Is it mild or a strong taste? Camden and I are going to test it right here, right now. Did you taste anything?
No.
I didn't either. Record your observations on the genetic trait form and see how it compared to your class's inventory. We had a lot of fun and we hope you did too. We hope you enjoyed this taste test activity.